has been acting in the channel. You can see right from this swing high here to this swing low here, price went to retest this resistance before coming to break this support here, and gradually went up here, tested the support again, and up it went. So as things stands now, price might break this resistance and head upward. The possibility of price going upward is very high because of what is happening in the Middle East. The uncertainty, the war with Hezbollah, Israel, Hamas, Iran, Houthis and others. Those geopolitical situation favors oil going up. But on the downside, the positive data that have been coming out from the US market also favors a downtrend. The dollar is getting stronger. Let me show you one of my trade that is ongoing, Euro USD. Show you that. You can see Euro USD. You can see how strong the dollar has been for the past month, for about 2 months now or so. The dollar has been so strong. You can see how strong it is. Even on my other trade that's going on, GBP USD, you can see I'm trying to trade a breakout here, and you can see how strong the dollar is. So with that, I'm believing that since the dollar is strong, you know, the stronger the dollar, the weaker oil becomes. So with that, with the strong dollar, my bias is that the channel is this resistance is going to hold once more. So I'm thinking of shorting oil here and riding it to maybe this resistance here. If I'm shorting it, I'll be taking profit around this area because price might retest it and boom, passes northward. And the possibility of price coming to retest this support around this area is also there. So I'm watching this, and I'll be taking a sell trade here. I'll be selling some positions here. So I'm also looking at crude. Crude is at the 71.26 level now, price level. So still the same channel, nothing much has changed. WTI crude. So, and at this channel, it's as if there is a breakout. So I don't know if this is a fake out, but the same geopolitical situation that is affecting the Brent is also affecting the crude. So if this is a breakout, then price will continue up. But if it's a fake out, then I expect price to be beating into this channel line. So as it is, I've entered this trade. Look at my entry here, and my stop loss is slightly above this resistance here. So my stop loss is at 75.96. So, and as you can see, after this bearish close, this bearish candle, after it closed, I just entered the trade at the open of the next bar, which also closed bearish. And this third one here, the gap here, you can see. So as it is now, price is currently testing this zone here. You can see, let me mark it out so that you can see it very well. Price is currently testing this zone, which is See how difficult it was for price to break it. Price entered this zone. After you can see this part acted as resistance. It was tested several times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was tested several times. So currently this resistance now is acting as a support. So if this candle now that is showing bullish in nature, if it closes somewhere around here, down here, then let me mark it out. If this can close down here, or even though this closes bullish and the next candle closes somewhere around here, then you might be in for a huge tips. So as it is now, I'll be watching this and see. I'll be watching price action here. So let me go to the crude. So this is Brent. This is Brent crude oil. Let me go to the crude. So same situation on crude. This part is also acting as resistance. This resistance is acting as a support now. Resistance or support, that's what is occurring now. So hopefully this can close lower. If it closes lower, then we are out of this difficulty. So another thing that I'm also watching out for is news. A news is supposed to be coming out soon. So in a couple of minutes, crude oil inventories is supposed to be coming out from the US market. So that, I believe that is going to affect this trade. As it turned out, this support held. This resistance turn support held. So you can see price was heading south nicely, but after getting to this point, with the help of the news outcome, price bounced back, and you can see it came all the way. Luckily, I closed at this point, but I do not close my Brent. My Brent is still on. I just decided to take profits on the crude, so I just took profits and left the other one to run, the Brent crude. So after price got here, the support here, you can see this difficulty. Price find it difficult to break through, so everything it bounced back. So as it is now, where you can see there is a current, market just closed around here. So anything above here is a clear breakout. This looks more like a breakout now, like a breakout trade. So this descending channel is out. I'm not looking at selling it into it again. So here too, I think the best thing is to just close this trade, but I'm just going to let it run. Price might get to this point and still start going downward, but I just want to round up the video here. I don't want it to be too lengthy, so I'll be posting my other trade that I've showed earlier in the video. I'll be posting it later, so try and like this video. If you can share it, try and share it. And if you want to get more from me, please try and subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.